The evolution of technology flatlined for the last couple of years. I mean, look at the new iPhone 15. It's the same as the iPhone 14 Pro, just with USB-C, but only because the EU is force-fucking them to do that. But the technology of keyboards has evolved the least. I mean, it's just a board with a couple of fucking buttons. Because of that, I took all the sensors from my Arduino starter kit and jammed them into the worst keyboard that humanity has ever seen. Let me show you how it's built, you fucking shit. Right, so here's basically the skeleton, or rather the organs of the keyboard. You have everything. From joystick, distance sensor, touch sensor, remote, over to a microphone. What kind of voice trick was that, man? What the fuck? I thought you were a man. Do you see this patch here? That's because I changed my mind because of the IR remote, because I don't need more buttons, and also I couldn't figure out how to use it. So, and it looks pretty sleek, like the design is pretty fucking cool. My idea is that I'll need to scream to move forward in a game, and you know, I don't need that anymore. I'm a gamer. Right, big forehead guy, but how are you gonna take all the input from the Arduino all the way to your PC? Well, thanks for asking. You see, it was me all along. Yes, I'm a comedian, and no, I'm not Canadian. So how it comes to my PC is actually very easy. You see, you can print out actually stuff from the Arduino in your Arduino IDE. Wow, look at all this information, but it's still not on Python. I can't work with that. Look at this really simple code that just takes all of it and like, oh, it says shift, okay, well then do shift. Oh, it says A, well then press A. And with that, you're just walking around. It's super easy. I don't even know why I'm all explaining this. Alright, now let's actually play some games. So unfortunately, I recorded my $20 mic with the in-game audio and the PC mic in one soundtrack. So you can only hear me from my $20 lav mic. Let's go to the game. Actually, we're almost there because I'm so loud. Ah! Fuck, it doesn't stop. My next problem was that my monkey brain sometimes thinks, oh, if scream, walk. If not scream, instantly not walk. Which is of course not true, since it queues up dozens of milliseconds of walking in a row. I'm not stopping. Help. Help. And I also can't scream. Let's get some wool, then leave the menu. I can't do two things at once. I need to stop running. How do I do this? I did it. Okay. No, the stairs. I can't move. I can't use the stairs. It literally is the worst keyboard. I'm sorry, but I can't talk a lot because else I will just fall down or move in a wrong direction. Okay, you know what? I'm more of the passive guy on the team, so let's get... I can't even get the fucking sharpness upgrade, fuck. Wait, I need to tell my teammates that I have... Oh, being attacked. Ha, 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 ha. Ha, 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 ha. Fuck, I couldn't help them, fuck. I need to enable auto jump. Ha! Fuck, no. Okay, so I think my problem was I was having auto jump not enabled. Oh, fuck. This guy's gotta be hacking. I'm sorry, but he wasn't looking in my direction. I can't. This is the worst. Yeah, you'll do the work. Oops. I got a kill. A pumpkinator's pumpkin? What is this, fucking Halloween? Oh yeah, right. This dude's literally cheating. We got him. The only... Oh, fuck me on your face. And I also played Valorant, but nobody cares about that. You know what you should care about? Is how you can support me. Wow, that was the worst transition I've ever seen. So here's the thing. Some of my videos can get kind of expensive, and if you'd like to see more of me and maybe some bigger projects, you can consider supporting me on Buy Me a Coffee. But you know, if you don't like that, that's fine. You can like, subscribe, whatever. Come on your dog, come on your cat. If you have any ideas what I should make, what I should build, please, no, sex toy. You know, maybe, just maybe, I will make it, you know, unlike in my life, you know.
Bye.